Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to the structure sections. Today we're going to discuss about pronoun as a part of speech, part 1. We're going to discuss about the definition and the type of it. So, make sure that you pay attention until the end of the video, because at the end of the video, as usual, I'm going to give you the exercises, okay? So, let's check it out. So let's check what is the definition of pronoun. So pronoun is the word that stand in for noun in a sentence. So there are more generic version of noun that refer to only two people. Okay, so pronoun refer only to people. What are the pronoun? Could be. So it could be I, it could be you, it could be he, she, it, ours, them, who, which, anybody, and ourselves. So remember that a pronoun can replace a noun or another pronoun. You use pronouns like he, which, non, and you to make your sentences less cumbersome and less repetitive. So some grammarians classify pronoun into the several types. Okay, so what are the types? See, I'm going to explain you on the next slide. So what are the type of the pronouns? So there are 7 types of pronouns. The first one is personal pronouns. Second is demonstrative pronoun. The third is integrative pronoun. The fourth is relative pronouns. Fifth, indefinite pronouns. C, reflexive pronoun. And the last is intensive pronoun. So what is all about those kinds of pronouns? We're going to discuss it more detail on the next slide. Now we're going to discuss the first one, which is personal pronoun. So what is personal pronouns? Personal pronoun refers to a specific person or maybe a thing and change its form to indicate person, number, gender, and case. So personal pronouns that we have already discussed on the previous slide, it's going to divide it again into 3 personal pronouns. There are subjective personal pronouns, objective personal pronouns, and possessive personal pronouns. About what are they in detail, we're going to discuss it on the next slide. What is subjective personal pronoun? Subjective personal pronoun is the pronoun that indicate that a pronoun is acting as a subject of the sentence. The subjective personal pronouns may be consist of I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. In the following sentences, each of the highlighted word is a subjective personal pronoun and act as a subject in the sentence. So, what are the example? The example is, I was glad to find the bus pass in the bottom of the green knapsack. So, I is the subjective personal pronoun. 2. You are surely the strangest child I have ever met. You and I, in second sentence, are the subjective personal pronouns. The third, he stole the silky skin and forced her to live with him. He, in this case, is a subjective personal pronoun. Subjective means it's the pronoun that doing the action. Remember, doing the action. The second is an objective personal pronoun. These personal pronouns indicate that the pronoun is acting as an object of a verb, compound verb, preposition, or infinitive phrase. The objective personal pronouns are me, you, her, him, it, us, you, and them. So, what are the examples? Number 1. Seamus stole the silky skin and forced her to live with him. So, the objective personal pronoun of her is the direct object, and the verb forced and the objective personal pronoun him is the object of the preposition with. Okay, so her and him is an adjective. Second sentence, after reading the pamphlet, Judy threw it into the garbage can. The pronoun it is the direct object of the verb threw. Okay, it is the direct object of the verb threw. Then the last sentence, the agitated assistant stood up and faced the angry delegate and said, "Our leader will address you in 5 minutes." In the sentence, the pronoun you is the direct object of the verb address. Okay. Possessive personal pronouns. Possessive personal pronoun is indicate that the pronoun is acting as a marker of position and define who own a particular object or a person. So the possessive personal pronoun are, it could be mine, could be yours, hers, his, its, ours, and their. Okay, so possessive personal pronoun are very similar to possessive adjective like my, her, and their. Okay, almost similar. So what are the example? The example is the smallest gift is mine. So the word mine here is the possessive pronoun. The function as a subject complement. The second sentence is this is yours. So yours in this case is a subject complement. So your is a possessive personal pronoun. Then the last sentence is he's in the kitchen. In the example, the possessive pronoun his act like the subject of a sentence. Okay. Number 2 of the pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun is the pronoun that point to identifies a noun or a pronoun. This and this refer to things that are nearby, either in space or time, while that and those refer to things that are further away in space or time. So the demonstrative pronouns are this, that, this, and those. This and that are referred to a singular noun, and then these and those refers to plural. So remember, the point is demonstrative pronoun is the pronoun that used to demo or to point a certain thing. So what are the examples of demonstrative pronouns? First, take a look to sentence number 1. This must not continue. This, in this case, is a subject and compound verb. So it is also as a demonstrative pronoun. Number 2, this is puny. So the word this and that is the tree I want. This is puny, that is the tree I want. So the word this and that are the demonstrative pronoun for the singular thing. Then sentence number 3. 3 customers want this. This is the demonstrative pronoun. So it is the direct object of the verb. Number 3 is interrogative pronoun. So interrogative pronouns is the pronoun that is used to ask question. The interrogative pronouns are who, whom, which, what, and the compound form with the suffix ever is whoever, whomever, whichever, and whatever. So you have to know that which or what can also be used for an interrogative adjective. So what are the examples of the interrogative pronouns? The examples of the interrogative pronoun is number 1, which. Want to see the dentist first. So the word which is the subject of the sentence. Number 2, who wrote the novel Rockbound? So similarly, who is the subject of the sentence. Sentence number 3, whom do you think we should invite? So the word whom is the object of the verb invite. Okay, I have already explained you about some kinds of pronouns. So I want you to make at least 2 examples of personal pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, and integrative personal pronoun. I want you to write it in the column comment section. Good luck! Okay, I think that's all about some pronoun explanation. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to do the exercises, okay? So thank you again and see you on the part 2. See you.